Secondary door chain and latch maintenance serves as a critical life safety protocol. This briefing covers 4 mandatory operational phases for room turns: safe cleaning, physical testing, maintenance reporting, and departure resetting. Adhering to these specific standards limits hotel liability and establishes a consistent security baseline across the property. A secondary security barrier permits safe visual verification of visitors by strictly restricting the door gap. Against forced entry, an engaged chain provides significant stopping power, snapping the door to a rigid halt if pushed. Industrial models are engineered to withstand between 500 and 1,000 pounds of force, provided the metal links remain uncompromised. The most frequent housekeeping failure degrading this strength is applying chemical cleaners directly to the lock. Fluid seeps into the internal gears, accelerating rust and attracting abrasive dust that degrades the metal. To clean safely, spray chemicals onto a microfiber cloth away from the door. Then wipe the chain, slider, mounting plate, and screws before polishing dry. Indirect chemical application preserves the hardware's structural integrity, ensuring it withstands the extreme forces it was designed for. Visual inspection alone is insufficient. Every room turn requires a mandatory physical function test. For Step 1 and 2, engage the latch and firmly push the door to verify the opening gap is restricted. In Step 3 and 4, release the latch and manually manipulate it to verify smooth movement without catching or sticking. If a test reveals bent chains, loose mounting screws, or visible rust, immediately report it to engineering. Housekeeping staff must never attempt to dismantle the lock or apply wet oils and lubricants. Engineering uses specific dry graphite powder because wet lubricants attract dust and debris that destroy the lock's reliability. Maintaining a strict boundary between housekeeping identification and engineering repair prevents hardware failure. The final operational step for any departure room is leaving the chain or latch in the disengaged position. A locked departure room creates unnecessary delays for arriving guests and management access. The core workflow is clean safely, test physically, report damage immediately, and leave open upon exit. Completing this SOP on every room turn ensures secondary hardware remains functional, reinforcing the property's primary security network.